So good morning, class 7 children. Yesterday we did worksheet number 25 related with chapter number 13. So today we are going to continue your worksheet number 26. So I want each one of you to ready with your NCRT worksheet number 26 of chapter 13. Again, your first question is you need to find out the most appropriate option out of it. So let's continue. Physical quantities which can't obtain from a distance time graph is
Speed.
first is speed, time taken, change in position, change in weight.
Ma'am,
Kindly
option D,
raise your
change
hand.
in weight.
Kindly raise your hand. Only then I can ask. Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, option D, change in weight.
Yes, change in weight. We can't identify on the graph. The weight is changing. We can't see that because it's not a physical quantity. Next, it is a part of wall clock and performs oscillatory motion. Its time period is fixed. It is, raise your hands, either a pendulum, bob of a pendulum clock, none of these. Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, a pendulum.
Performs oscillatory motion and its time period is fixed. It's pendulum. Next, speed of a car is 30 meter per second in kilometer per hour. How it can be expressed? So you need to find out the answer. "30 meter per second, you need to change it into kilometers per hour. Any idea? Change it fast.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, sure.
108 kilometer per hour.
ओके बेटा, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि डायरेक्टली यू कैन चेंज फ्रॉम मीटर पर सेकेंड टू किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. अब आप मीटर पर सेकेंड से किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड में जा रहे हैं, सो यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 18/5. So directly multiply by it, you will get the answer. Next, number 4. Clock X has minute hand and hour hand, while clock Y has minute, hour, and second hands. Which of the following is correct for the above statement? So children, you had seen many of the clocks. Few of the clocks has only minute and hour hand, and some has hour hand, minute hand, second hand. So which option is the correct? Time interval of 20 seconds can be measured for both clocks X and Y. Time clock of 2 hours 20 seconds can be measured by clock X only. Time interval of 6 minutes 20 seconds can be measured by Y clock only. Can be measured only by both the clocks. So can I have the answer? What will be the answer for it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, C part, time interval of 6 minutes 25 seconds can be measured by clock Y only.
Okay. So yes, beta, which answer you are saying it's true one? Which answer is true for it? Raise your hand. Question 4. Able to get or not? You have seen two of the clocks. Some clock has minute and hour hand, some has second also. So you may tell which will be the easier one. Which one of the following is correct for the above statement? Just now somebody has given the answer.
Ma'am, it is C. Time interval of 6 minutes 25 seconds can be measured by clock Y
Yes,
only.
it is a C one. Next, number 5. If the speed of a person is X and time is Z, Find the distance covered by it. So what will be the formula of distance? Either it will be distance is equal to, what is the formula of distance? Speed into time. So what is the correct option? Speed into time. Tell me the correct option. Yes, Nishchay? Yes, Vedika?
Ma'am, option C.
Yes, option C is the correct one. X into Z is equal to the distance covered. Okay, I hope children you have done this. Let's continue with the next part, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks using appropriate words. Dash discovered that time period of a given pendulum is constant. What can we write down here? Yes, Sanvi? Who has discovered that time period of a pendulum?
Galileo Galilei.
Yes, it's Galileo. Galileo Galilei. Next, nowadays, most clocks or watches have an dash. What can you say? This paragraph is from your book, children. Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, batteries.
Battery?
Electric circuit.
Yes, has an electric circuit. Next. These are called quartz clocks. They measure time very accurately. The time measuring devices used in sport can measure time interval that are dash or dash of a second. Did you find this paragraph or not? Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, millionth or billionth of a second?
Millionth or the billionth of a second. Millionth or billionth. Billionth of a second. Times of historical events are started in terms of dash or dash. Yes. Tell each one. Times of historical events are started in terms of dash or dash. Check in your book, children. You all are sitting. Ideal. Centuries and millennium. Next, correct and rewrite the following statements. Motion that repeat at equal intervals of time, that is known as
Periodic
a
motion.
uniform motion. So instead of uniform, you may write down it is a periodic motion. It will be a periodic motion. Next, the time period of a simple pendulum double if the mass of the ball is doubled.
And the time period of a simple pendulum doubles if the
Yes, tell. Rest also can take the initiative. Tell me.
when the time period of the simple pendulum remains same if the mass of the bob is doubled.
Yes, it is remain same. यहाँ पे डबल की जगह आपके पास आ जाएगा सेम. Children, I'm not writing the complete sentence, but I want from your side to write down the complete sentence. The time period of a simple pendulum remains same if the mass of the bob is doubled. Agar mass of the bob is doubled, only then the time period remains the same. Next is very short answer type questions. What type of a motion is represented by a simple pendulum?
Oscillatory motion.
Yes, it
Oscillatory motion.
oscillatory motion it exhibit. Observe the following graphs carefully. Which of the above graphs shows uniform motion? So you may see all the graphs and you have to tell which graph is showing the uniform motion.
Ma'am, paragraph 1. Distance meter by time second.
Yes, graph 1. But you can write down graph 1 is showing the uniform motion. What does graph second shows? Yesterday we also did it.
Ma'am, it shows that the object is in rest.
Object is at rest. Object is at rest. Okay. What type of motion is shown by the object in graph third? See?
Ma'am, it shows non-uniform motion.
Yes, very good. It shows the non-uniform motion. Because sometime what is happening? That it is increasing or decreasing. Next, what is the average speed of the object in graph 1? So children, as you can see, if the time is 5 seconds, then the distance covered is, see from here, if time is 5 seconds, the distance covered is 10 meters. Okay, you can find out the speed. Can we find out the speed over here? What is the formula of speed? यहाँ find out करते हैं. Speed equals to
Distance upon time.
distance upon time. Distance upon time कितना आ जाएगा? Distance कितना है हमारे पास? It is 10 and time is 5 seconds. तो आपके पास आंसर कितना आ जाएगा? 2 seconds. 2 meter per second.
2.
So speed will be 2 meter per second. In the same way, you can find out the speed here also. In this case, second case, if the distance is 30, see, if the distance is 30, then the time is, sorry, it is 20. If the distance is 20, time is 10. Again, the speed will be 2. In the same way, if the distance is 30, but I'm showing you that how you can find out the speed. If distance is 30, time is 15. So again, the speed will be 2. Means what will be the average speed then? आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, आपने find out करके देख लिया. You can write down that the average speed is 2 meter per second. Are you understanding, children? How you have to find out the speed? You can find the speed from the graph only, because this graph is distance and time. And to find out the speed, आपको सिर्फ क्या चाहिए? आपको distance और time ही चाहिए graph speed find out करने के लिए. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's continue with the next part, short answer type questions. 10 complete oscillations of a simple pendulum are recorded in time a swimmer takes to finish a lap in the pool. If the time period of a pendulum is 12 seconds, how much time did the swimmer take to swim across the pool? So read the question carefully and tell me how we can do it. You have to find out the time taken. How much time has been taken? So means time period, you have to find it out. So see to it how we can do this. The answer will be your 12 seconds only. Write down. Should I erase all this? I had erased. Next is next. A car traveling at an average speed of 60 km per hour completes a journey in 5 hours. If the reading of odometer at the start of the journey is this, what would be the reading at the end of the journey? So it's very simple. First of all, you have to take out the distance. Find out the distance. Speed is given to you, time is given to you. Hurry up, find out the distance. Formula for distance is speed into time. Speed is given how much? मेरे साथ साथ करो. Speed is 60 and time is 5. What will be your answer? What will be your answer? 300 kilometers. Okay. Now what you have to do, in the beginning the reading of odometer was, अब आप लिख लीजिए, रीडिंग ऑफ ऑडोमीटर आपको निकालना है. रीडिंग ऑफ ऑडोमीटर at the end of journey. At the end of journey कितना हो गया? दोनों का टोटल कर लो. 1618 plus 300. What will be the answer? कितना आंसर आ जाएगा? 1918 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, बिकॉज जब हमने जर्नी स्टार्ट की तो एट दैट टाइम द रीडिंग वाज 1618 एंड 300 वी हैड कवर्ड, तो हमारा टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा? दैट इज 1918. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्वार्ट्ज क्लॉक, क्वार्ट्ज क्रिस्टल इन मॉडर्न क्लॉक्स? What is the function of quartz crystal in modern clocks? Kindly give the answer. Yes, Tanvi, ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in first question. 10 complete oscillations of a simple pendulum are recorded. Ma'am, this one.
Okay, I will tell you. First of all, give me the answer of question number 3. What is the function of quartz crystal? In modern clocks. Yes, tell me. Yes, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the time measured by quartz clock is much accurate.
Yes, simple it is. Quartz crystal जो है, quartz crystal we are using to make quartz clock. So these makes a vibration and oscillations that are used that makes time more accurately. So simply you can write down that quartz crystal are used to make or to measure time more accurately. Write down, children. It helps. it helps to measure time more accurately. Okay. So children, with this, we had completed the worksheet, and in next class, we are going to start with the next chapter. And I had uploaded the assignment of this chapter also. Kindly go through that assignment and the works of chapter number 13. So kindly see to it if any one of you need any help. Okay, that has been uploaded on ERP. Kindly see to it. Okay, children.